Hi, welcome. It's Michael here. We're going to be diving into the competitive edge intelligence briefing for November. So let me just flick my camera over and then join me. So we're going to be going through the competitive product roadmap for cloud. So this is for cloud, hyperscalers, Kubernetes, and this is basically looking at what companies are building over the next 6 to 12 months in terms of new products, which are going to be released on the market over that term. So the way we get this data is essentially we're looking at hiring signals. So we're scraping a lot of job descriptions from across the market, and we're going doing deep content inspection, looking at what are the keywords in there, what kind of roles are they actually hiring for. We're also looking at, are companies downsizing specific departments? Are they upweighting specific departments? Are there more job roles appearing in certain areas, and then what are the core skill sets that are appearing in those job descriptions? We're also looking at R&D signals, so we do a lot of scraping of change logs right across the industry to forward predict what that then will mean in terms of new tech stacks which are being developed. We're looking at technology stack tracking. We're also looking at the likes of Crunchbase, and we're looking at funding announcements. Where's basically the money going? Where's the smart money going? What types of areas? And we're also looking at partnerships as well. What kind of partnerships are being formed? And then we're validating that through the analysts in terms of forecasting what products are going to be launched. So this is the executive summary for November 2025. If you want the full report, just click on the link in the description, download the full report. We've only got time for the executive summary today. But essentially the top 3 innovation priorities, which are shaping cloud competition over the next 12 months. So we're seeing 3 main innovation priorities. Number 1 is AI integration of cloud services is becoming default. So it's not a nice to have, it's not an add-on, it's basically part of the fabric. So hyperscalers are embedding generative AI into compute, into storage, into developer ecosystems. So we're seeing the likes of AWS, Azure, and also GCP are shifting from optional features to embedding that as part of foundational layers. And then challengers are responding with lighter weight AI APIs, which are targeting SMBs and also regional workloads. In terms of cloud expansion, so we've got sovereign and regulated cloud expansion. So regional data residency is driving a second wave of sovereign cloud buildouts. So we're seeing partnerships here, which is basically Microsoft and Orange in Europe, Google and Thales in France, signal basically a policy-driven R&D pivot where trust, not scale, truly differentiates. So that differentiation factor is being looked at a partnership layer. And then we're also seeing edge and hybrid integration mature. So edge compute is evolving from pilot to production. Hyperscalers are localizing compute with AWS local zones, Azure Arc, while challengers like OVH are expanding managed Kubernetes to regional edges. So those are the 3 core areas. And basically our viewpoint would be that cloud innovation cycles are converging around intelligence, locality, and also latency, and that vendors that unify AI and edge under transparent sovereign architectures, they're the ones that are going to be defining the next 12 months of competitive advantage. So highly interesting, lots of stuff going on in cloud. If you want a copy of your free report, then the full report, then just click on the link in the bio. That's all we've got time for today. Thanks ever so much, and see you again. Bye-bye.